The truth about diets is that they are often unsustainable, leading to weight regain and potential physical and mental health issues, as most people cannot stick to restrictive plans long term. Diets can disrupt your metabolism, increase hunger hormones, and damage your relationship with food and your body. Instead of diets, the focus should be on making small, sustainable lifestyle changes to eating and exercise habits to achieve healthy, long-term weight management. Why diets often don't work. Unsustainable restrictions. Many diets require cutting out entire food groups or drastically reducing calories, which is difficult to maintain and can lead to nutrient deficiencies. Metabolic adaptation. Calorie restriction can slow your metabolism, making it harder to lose weight and increasing hunger. Increased hunger and cravings. Dieting can decrease the fullness hormone, leptin, and increase the hunger hormone, ghrelin, making you feel hungrier and more likely to overeat or binge on high-calorie foods. Negative mental health impact. Diets can lead to feelings of guilt and failure, a preoccupation with food, and a damaged relationship with your body and self-worth. High rate of weight regain. Studies show that a large percentage of people who lose weight on a diet regain it, often within 1 to 5 years. What to do instead? Focus on small, achievable changes. Make gradual, sustainable changes to your eating and exercise habits rather than attempting drastic, short-term diets. Prioritize a balanced diet. Consume a variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, ensuring you get the necessary vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Listen to your body. Learn to trust your body's natural hunger and fullness cues, which are often shut down by dieting. Find a supportive community. Surround yourself with supportive people who can help you stay motivated and push through challenges. Shift focus from weight to wellness. Concentrate on overall health, wellness, and self-love rather than solely on weight loss, which can improve your mood and body image.